Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw the Hyundai Ioniq 5. We will begin by establishing the fundamental proportions. Start by sketching a basic box to define the car's overall length, width, and height. Pay close attention to its notably short front and rear overhangs, which are key to its unique look. The generous wheelbase, roughly 3 meters, is also a crucial element to capture. Finally, outline the low roofline and wide stance to set the stage for your drawing. Next, let's dive into the iconic details that make the Ioniq 5 so recognizable. Concentrate on the distinctive parametric pixel headlights and taillights, which are a signature design element. Carefully draw the integrated V-shaped daytime running lights within the front fascia. Don't forget to include the sleek, flush door handles and the crisp, sharp character lines along the body. Also, highlight the unique clamshell hood design, which adds to its modern aesthetic. Now, let's focus on the wheels and the dynamic side profile. Begin by sketching the large, aerodynamic wheels, which are frequently 20 inches in diameter, giving the car a commanding presence. Accurately capture the strong, angular C-pillar design, a defining feature of its silhouette. Illustrate the clean, uncluttered side panels, emphasizing their smooth surfaces. Finally, pay close attention to the distinct diagonal crease that runs along the side, adding a sense of movement. To bring your drawing to life, it's time for refinement and shading. Begin by adding depth and realism through careful shading techniques, paying attention to light sources. Use varying line weights to clearly define edges and surfaces, making certain elements pop. Highlight reflective surfaces, such as the windows and body panels, to give them a realistic sheen. Finally, meticulously erase all your initial construction lines to achieve a clean, polished, and professional final drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.